We finally arrived in the Matera. So technically, this is the oldest village or town in Europe. Oh, oh nice. That is the whole of Matera. Beautiful. Oh, this is the terrace. Wow.
We are in alto.
Yeah, I can see the sky.
You go a tour. You arrived in Via Fiorentini, Street Fiorentini. E poi continuando, you arrived in the square. You can come
Okay.
this evening.
We will.
For you, the terrace is
Yeah.
for you.
Thank you.
For you.
It's Marisa here. Wonderful host.
Yeah.
So happy to see you.
Yeah.
And a
Ciao.
wonderful explanation. Very good start of this wonderful.
Very warm people.
Beautiful. This
Yeah,
this,
very nice.
This is a landlady.
Yeah, the host
hotel.
been staying in this for your whole life, right? But you move out for the structure.
Grazie. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
to
you for welcoming us
Thank
this
you.
room.
You are very very gentili. Very happy to meet you.
Yeah.
Me too, me too, me too. Hey, this is our room from El Canto, and the lovely Miss Marisa just now has shown us. Now I just want to show you our room. Very nice. And you have a huge bed, the toilet is there, and the most important thing is the
$1 million view.
the $1 million view. It's at night. Just now when we were here, just 5 minutes ago, it's just perfect. And look at that. This is at night already. Just now it was in the evening time, even the sunlight, even better. But even now, it looks so nice. This is the view from the balcony. We have our own private terrace on top of the building.
Then we have hot rice with prawn, unbelievable.
Good morning, Matera. We woke up early in the morning and had our early breakfast in the hotel. Now we are exploring the enchanting town of Matera. The first thing we saw is this Pane bread, which is very popular in Matera. I think the trick is they're using a different type of flour, very penny.
Mama.
嗰啲唔知咩喎，大大個嗰啲嗬，識嗰啲啊。
We have only walked for 10 minutes. I think we have to stop for 10 times just taking photo of all the unique spots. As I mentioned before, Matera is the oldest city in the world, the third oldest in the world, and it has been inhabited continuously for 10,000 years. That's how long this place has been. There are potteries found in this area that dates back to 7,500 years before century. And obviously during this time they started living in those caves on opposite side of the gorge. And that continues until 1950s. The government of Italy found that the condition of the cave living is really poor, sanitation is bad, so they decided to relocate everyone out of Matera. They even call this particular move the shame of Italy. But of course, from the shame of Italy, the UNESCO recognized this of a significant historical and cultural values. And once this area becomes famous, the tourism, of course, catch on, and it becomes Matera now. You can't drive inside Matera, but obviously there are resident here. But I think the car makes the whole place not so ancient anymore. They should have put some ponies, horses, and I think they should force everyone to dress up. Then it feels like going back to olden days. That would be perfect. Wow, another nice spot over here overlooking Matera. I was listening to the tour guide behind me, and some information I get from them is during the Middle Ages, they all live in cave. There's a reason, because the soil of the cave is very soft. It's easy to dig into it. But of course, when the situation turns better, more prosperity, and they start to build houses on top, stacked on top of each other until the very, very top. Another church. And this is Casa Grotta. It's a place that turned into a museum. I think we can visit it. We are now at the Casa Grotta Museum. And that's how it looks like. Yeah, they mix their own clothes. They have their own kitchen. That is the toilet. There's a baby crate over here for better accommodation. Down there, there's also a shoe, very old shoes. So these are some of the photos, and according to the attendant, is real photos of the last family who stayed on this room. Not sure about the smell though, because the horse is inside there too. This is some of the actual photos of the families that stays here. So behind me is the rock church of Saint Agostino, which dates back to 1233, almost 1,000 years ago. The arts that reflects their belief and religion at that time. I'm here at the Santa Maria, the Idris chapel, made out of rocks. This chapel seems to be in the center of Matera, where the houses is facing it 360 degrees, non-stop. Look at all the houses. Woo. Walking down from the Duomo, and we're going there, the opposite side of the church here. We're trying to go on the other side. So where is the other side? I also don't know. It's very confusing here. To sometimes know how to go, how to walk. Now the Duomo is on the opposite side from what we have seen before. We are going now to the church over there. We found the spot, the viewpoint. When it's turning dark, the lights turn on, which gives it another kind of atmosphere. And we're going to walk home, and on the way we're going to find a cave restaurant. So the history...
But we always change our mind very
Yeah, we saw something nice, you go in. Sometimes it's too many people, you know.
Or nobody inside.
Or nobody inside, also scared. And look at the price sometimes.
We will always also walk away.
But obviously, I think the cave is like the beginning of Matera, so we're going to end the day by having a dinner. This is almost a New Year Eve dinner. Today is 30 December, right? 30 or 31? Oh
30th,
no,
30th.
30th December. So let's see if we can find it. This is a nice cafe, but it's nothing much to eat over here. Only drinks. Ooh. Another viewpoint. So many viewpoints. I lost count already. So, in most other old town that we went to, there is maximum 3 or 4 viewpoints. Here is everywhere. You look. This is how special Matera is. Found a restaurant at almost 6 o'clock that opens. All the restaurants we go to is not open yet. I think they open around 6 or 7, which is too long. So anyway, you look at the behind. Looks like cave, wasn't it? See?
Yeah.
Cave, like a cave, even though it's 100%, but it's good enough. What did the waiter told you about the cave behind?
The waiter say it is a real cave. Some 1,000, 2,000 years ago, someone lived there. After they move out, so somebody sold it, and then they make it a restaurant.
See? Even though initially I thought it was just cement, they just create it like a decoration. Apparently it's not. So our target is achieved.
A cave restaurant.
This comes spaghetti with clams, vongole. Of course, for Jessie is the spaghetti with seafood. We drive over to another side of the gorge, which is opposite of Matera, to have this view over here. So we're gonna take a brief hike here to see Matera from a different angle, and also to explore some of the cave, church and houses that is still here in this national park. The weather here today is windy, cold, than yesterday with a lot of clouds coming in. I think the sunset will be nice here. But it's too early and it's too cold to wake up. Ooh, nice. You can see the whole of Matera, including the key church over behind us. Wow, the sun just shining on us. Wow, nice spot over here. It's beautiful. You can see the gorge. Not sure you can see that. Let me go down a little bit. So down there is the gorge. You can actually walk down and go back up. But since we are checking out today, we are driving up to this area. Oh, it's windy. It's beautiful. Yep. This is all the older parts of Matera, including this area. This area is including this area. This area is actually very old. I don't think we can even walk there. It's closed. And this is the part that we went this year. There's a church that we went yesterday, made out of rocks. And you have a show house of the cave house. And of course the cathedral. And think we are staying around here. So the whole of Matera is now with us. This is the church. It was carved from the rocks, but I think they closed it. They didn't open it. Can we see anything inside?
The painting on the wall is faded.
Yeah, some painting on the walls. There are a few churches along the way. Let's look for a cave house. So we can take some iconic pictures. This is the one of the cave house we found. Let's go in and have a look. Huge house with you can see the cave. The house is not too nice, not comfortable yet, so we're gonna look for another one. This one here. Is it nice? Oh, nice. Oh, quite huge. Oh, I like this one. I can stay here. Put some sofa, Wi-Fi, bed of course, and I think there are some more houses here. Oh, nice. Ah, this one see the whole thing.